If you live in UAE and you are new to investment and searching for investment apps in UAE, then you have to be careful because you can lose thousands of dirhams in hidden fees every year. I am going to break down the 5 best investment apps available in the UAE and tell you exactly which one is right for your situation. Whether you have 500 dirhams or 50,000 dirhams to invest, whether you are a complete beginner or experienced investor, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which app to download tonight. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I make videos about UAE finance, helping you make smarter money decisions right here in the Emirates. Today we are covering the 5 best investment apps in UAE for 2025-2026. I have done extensive research on each platform regarding reviews, comparing fees, analyzing features, so you don't have to. A quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I suggest you to do your own research. This video is only for educational and entertainment purposes. Alright, let's start with number 5 and work our way up to the best one. Coming in at number 5 is Interactive Broker. Now this isn't UAE specific, but it's available to UAE residents and it's massive globally. If we talk about the pros, you can access basically every market through Interactive Broker's app. US stocks, European stocks, bonds, options, futures, you name it. It has super low fees, some of the cheapest in the world, and it has professional grade tools and research. If we talk about the cons, the interface is complicated. If you're a beginner, this will overwhelm you. Minimum deposit used to be $10,000. Now it's lower but still significant. Customer support isn't great for UAE time zones. So who should use Interactive Brokers? If you are an experienced investor who wants access to global markets and you are comfortable with complex platforms, this is excellent. But if you're just starting out, skip this one. Number 4 is Sarwa, and this is one of the most popular UAE based platforms. Sarwa is a robo-advisor, which means you tell them your goals and risk to tolerance, and their algorithm builds a portfolio for you using ETFs. Very hands-off. If we talk about the pros, it is super easy for beginners, literally take 5 minutes to set up, and they have very low to minimum investment. You can start just with 500 dirhams. This app has halal investing options if that's important to you. It is regulated in UAE, so it feels safer. You can also trade US stocks directly now. If we talk about the cons, management fee of 0.85% per year, that adds up over time. You might feel less control as you don't pick individual stocks in the Robo-advisor portfolios. This app is limited to US markets only. So based on reviews and user feedback, people appreciate the simplicity and customer support. The app is clean and easy to navigate. The main complaint is the fees eating out returns over long periods. So who it's for? Perfect for beginners who want to start investing but don't know how to buy. Set it and forget it. Perfect. Moving on to number 3, it is StashAway. Very similar to Sarwa but with some key differences. What it offers? Another robo-advisor that builds ETF portfolios based on your risk level. They have portfolios from very conservative to very aggressive investing style. If we talk about the pros, they have even lower minimum than Sarwa. You can start with just 1 dirham. Management fee is 0.8%, slightly cheaper than Sarwa. Really good app design, one of the smoothest according to reviews. They rebalance your portfolio automatically. Regional presence across Asia and Middle East. Now let's talk about the cons. Similar limitations as Sarwa, you are stuck with their portfolios as it is robo-advisor. Mostly US and global ETFs, limited local market access. Slightly less transparent about what's in your portfolio compared to Sarwa. What users say about this app? Reviews highlight the excellent user interface and smooth experience. Performance tends to be solid and consistent. The automatic rebalancing is appreciated by hands-off investors. If we compare StashAway with Sarwa, honestly, they are very close. StashAway has a slightly better app interface and lower fees. Sarwa has a halal option and is more UAE focused. Either one is good for beginners. Number 2 is Baraka. This is where things get interesting because Baraka is completely different from the previous two. What is it? Baraka lets you directly buy US stocks and ETFs. No robo-advisor, no management fee. You pick what you want to invest in. If we talk about the pros, 0 commission on US stocks and ETFs. This is huge. No management fee. You only pay currency conversion, which is around 1%. You can buy fractional shares. Don't need 10,000 dirhams to buy Amazon. You can invest 100 dirhams. Really clean, beautiful app. Users say it feels like using Instagram. Built specifically for MENA region, so customer support understands UAE investors. Educational content in the app is actually available. But this app too has some cons. You need to know what you are investing in. No hand holding, only US markets. No access to UAE stocks or other regions. Currency conversion fee can add up if you are buying and selling frequently. What users say? Reviews consistently praise the zero commission model and clean interface. Many users appreciate the educational content and the ability to invest small amounts through fractional shares. The main feedback is that it's only limited to US market. The app makes it easy to research stocks. You get news, analyst ratings and financial data right in the app. And fractional shares mean you could start with just 500 dirhams and diversify across multiple companies. Who it's for? If you want to control your own investment, know what you are buying or willing to learn and want to keep fees low, Baraka is fantastic. And the number one investment app in UAE for 2025 is actually, it depends on you. Wait, hear me out. I'm going to tell you exactly which one to choose based on your situation, because there's no single best app for everyone. Choose Sarwa if you are a complete beginner. You want someone to manage everything for you. You need halal investing options. You need less than 10,000 dirhams to invest. You don't want to think about investing much. Choose StashAway if same as Sarwa, but you want slightly lower fees. You prefer a more modern app interface and you are okay with slightly less hand holding. Choose Baraka if you want to pick your own stocks. You hate paying management fees. You are willing to do some research. You want to invest in specific US companies. You have at least basic knowledge of investing. Choose Interactive Broker if you are experienced. You want access to global markets beyond just US. You trade options, futures or other advanced products. You have significant capital to invest. My recommendation, based on my research and what I see working the most UAE investors, here's what I would suggest. For complete beginners, start with Sarwa or StashAway. The 0.8% fee is worth paying for professional management while you learn. For people who want to learn, Baraka is excellent. Zero commission means you can start small, experiment and learn without fees eating your returns. For experienced investors, Interactive Brokers give you the most options and lowest cost at scale. Here's the comparison table. Let me show you a quick comparison so you can see. I have mentioned features like minimum investment fees, types, markets and best for, and relatively you can compare, and side by side you can see all of these features in Sarwa app, StashAway and Baraka. All these are regulated, safe and have good apps. The real question is, do you want someone to invest for you like Sarwa and StashAway, or do you want to do it yourself like in Baraka app? So here's what I want you to do after watching this video. Step 1, decide if you want automated investing or DIY. Step 2, if automated, compare Sarwa and StashAway based on fees and features. Download both apps, they are free to explore. Step 3, if DIY investing, start with Baraka. It's the safest to use and has zero fees. Step 4 is start small. Don't put in 10,000 dirhams on day 1. Try 500 dirhams to 1,000 dirhams first. Get comfortable with the app. Understand how it works. My recommendation for most people, if you're watching this video and you have never invested before, start with Baraka. Invest in simple S&P 500 ETF like VOO or SPY. Put 500 dirham in, watch it for a month, learn how it works, then gradually add more. Links to all these apps are in the description below. One last thing. A lot of people ask me which app has the best returns. The app doesn't give you returns. Your investment choices do. Baraka, Sarwa, StashAway are just tools. What matters is starting to invest. Most people never do. Investing consistently every month, not panicking when markets drop, giving it time, at least 3 to 5 years, because it's investing, not day-to-day trading. The best app is one you will actually use and stick with. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more UAE finance content, drop a comment below. Which app are you going to try first? I will see you in the next video.